Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a die has numbers 1 to 6 such that sum of opposite faces are always 7. Which is the correct wave of die? Since from given sum of the opposite faces are 7. So face marked X should be opposite to 7 minus X, or we can write it as X and 7 minus X cannot be adjacent faces. Now here from given 4 choices, only one option, only one wave or one option, that is here we can observe only option D is there, in which X and 7 minus X are not adjacent. That is option D is such that X and 7 minus X are not adjacent. So correct wave of the die is wave in the figure D. That is 6 to 3. Option D.